If you're looking for a motorcycle that blends raw power, smart tech, and street-savvy design, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 might just be your next obsession. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides so you know what's worth your time and money. Design. Let's talk design. The RM-Z 1050 keeps Suzuki's aggressive DNA alive with a sharp, muscular frame that screams performance. The updated LED lighting, sculpted fuel tank, and sleek tail section give it a bold, modern look without losing its rugged charm. This is a bike that looks fast even when standing still. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, the tank, is a 1,050 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that's been fine-tuned for 2026. It delivers a punchy mid-range, responsive throttle, and just enough top-end power to keep adrenaline junkies grinning. Whether you're carving through twisties or powering down the highway, the RM-Z 1050 feels planted and confident. Features and technology. Suzuki didn't hold back on the tech either. Ride-by-wire throttle, selectable ride modes, cornering ABS, and a new 6-axis IMU all come standard. The full-color TFT display is crisp and easy to navigate, while smartphone integration adds a modern touch for music, navigation, and ride stats on the go. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 RM-Z 1050 worth it? If you're after a well-balanced machine that delivers both performance and practicality, absolutely. But we want to hear from you. What do you think of Suzuki's latest middleweight beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the latest bikes and gear. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.